Pegasus Turbos go for 110. That's really not bad. 110. Got that 20% off. Look at this. Wow, I've never seen these. I thought it. Kobe 9 Elites. The Retro 8s. I think these are on sale. These were 139. Get that 20% off. These are the Kobe ADs. Go for 60 bucks. Damn. That's a deal. That's a steal right there. What's going on, YouTube viewers? This is your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are out in Camarillo, California. Here to check out the Nike outlet. This Nike outlet is not one of my favorite outlets, but because it's crazy packed, and when it's crazy packed, usually they don't have to lower the prices that much. So, yeah, but let's go check it out, you guys. Let's go check it out. This is one of the biggest outlets out here in Southern California, though. One of the biggest, but like I said, I've never found the greatest deals. But you always got to search, you guys. Always got to search. We are in the 10s. Let's go. Look, the phone. Oh no, my bad. The phone, the Air Flight Posits. Got that 20% off on top of that. The New York Knicks colorway, not bad. I think I've seen those for like 100. Wow, I have not seen so many of these in a while. Look. Wow. Damn, they trying to get 159? Really? They trying to get 159 for these B grades, huh? Wow. Mellow 13 B grades, 159. At least you get the 20%. All right, we are looking for deals, you guys. They got that 20%. Hopefully that helps us find some deals. Looking for deals. Mamba Rage, 70 bucks. I don't know, is that a good deal? I don't know. It's the Air Force Max, going for $70. You get that extra 20% off. Dang, we're looking for deals. Look at this. Wow, I've never seen these. I thought it. Kobe 9 Elites. Kobe 9 Elites. Holy crap! Look at that. These are right before he went with the lows. When he went with the extra highs. Wow, they go for retail 20%. Alright, I'm having a hard time believing that this is selling for retail, so I'm gonna have to ask for one of them to scan this for me. On the size 8.5, so there's like quite a few of these. The Brown Witness go for 70 bucks. Got another 20 on. Got the Moonlanders, size 7. Got the Moonlanders go for 109, 20% off. That's actually not bad. Not bad. Size 6.5, but the Romero 13s, not bad. Pegasus Turbos go for 110. That's really not bad. 110. Got that 20% off. So $88, $89 for Pegasus Turbos? That's crazy. 89 bucks. On the Kobe Potros. Carpe Diems, they sell those for retail, man. It's a little bit high. 20% off though, but still high. Way too high.
Move this man!
Alright, I just got a scan on these. Talk about going for 130, guys. 130. They're going for 200 online. What do you think about that? Alright, I sat there and thought about these because I really want to get them because they're selling for 200 online. But yeah, they're sitting though. You know, I checked StockX. I'll show you on the screen next to this. But yeah, they've been sitting and it's been taking people 2, 3, 4 months to sell them, and I don't have room to have these sitting around for 2, 3 months. So yeah, I'm gonna have to put them back. But I will get a thumbnail though. What? Yeah, I'm gonna put them back, you guys. Put them back. I'm gonna put them back. Putting these back. That's the first time I've ever found anything interesting here. So yeah, this is momentous. Momentous, you guys. The Retro 8s. I think these are on sale. They were 139. Get that 20% off. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, really? Oh man, I thought these were like the 7s or something. Never mind. We put that back. Well, we got a few of those Black History months. Size 11, size 10.5. You guys are into those. Here's the spot. But we're still looking for deals. Still looking for deals. And these are definitely not the deals. Going for retail, the Apex. Those are definitely not the deals. That's a 7. Got some grape 7s. Size 11, going for retail. Just get that 20% off. Right next to the 7s, some of you may have noticed there's a Hydro right there, but that's the Hydro 7s. Those don't really go for much. And the size 12s, looking for deals. Looking for deals. The shoes I've never ever heard of. Romelios? Going for what, 150? Damn. 150. Yeah, it says regular retail is 180. Never ever heard of those before. I've seen them, but never heard of them. I didn't even shoot. Oh, okay. I was interested when I'm looking at these Nike IDs. These are the Kobe IDs. Okay. With purple, black, and hits of gold. Not bad. Not bad. They go for $100. Get that 20% off though. There's you guys who want some Nike IDs made by someone else. And some more Nike IDs. Look at this. So Camarillos. Look at all these. The shoelaces are tied together. Camarillos. Maybe it's the same person because it's the same color. That's hilarious. The exact same color scheme as that last one. Gold, purple, and black. But apparently they did a crappy job because, yeah, 110 though. These go for more than those. That's interesting. That's interesting. Retro 4, size 14. Yeah, going for what, 159? Not bad. Finally finding some deals, but for you Bigfooters, $90. $90, you guys. I think size 14s are hard to sell, but yeah, these Pegasus 35 turbos, man, that's a sick deal for you guys. 90, get $18 off, so it's at $72. Not bad, $72. That's a steal. That's a steal and a deal right there, you guys. Looking for them steals and deals. That's it right there. The heat wall, no extra. There's no price tag, nothing. Don't even tell you. Yeah. These are all the Team Jordans, 1,312. Got that second heat wall here. Got the nostalgias. I just passed by that one. I got a pair of these Jordan 3 Knicks color. Yeah, probably going for it's size 12. I just got one return. All right, got some Team Jordans. Not gonna go too much into those. Dang, really? Who's paying $85 for these? You should get that 20% off, but still, who's doing that? That's why it is a full size run. Too high, you guys. Too high. The Tinker 3s going for 120. That's not too bad. Not too bad. And these nostalgias go for 150. A little high. I paid 100. You guys know these are pretty much at every outlet. 110. Not a bad deal, but they're pretty much at every outlet now. So, dang, it's crazy because I've seen these for cheaper. We've seen these at the shoe palaces for $100. That's crazy, you guys. It's pretty much the standard price. We've seen these at a bunch of places now. Kobe Potro 1s. For all you foam heads, flight posits. These aren't exactly foams, but pretty much the same. This part's a little bit different on the foams, but yeah, a lot of you guys are fans of these. Got some Jordan 13s at their size 9.5, 7.5. My bad. The Vapor Max with the box tops and everything. Damn. These are the Mellows, by the way. I took a little quick peek. I was like, what? Black and University Red? But yeah, that's the color code they use for the Mellows. That's crazy. So you're looking for steals and deals, and these aren't it. We've seen these at Shoe Palace for $100. Seen these for $100 at a few places. 720s. We've seen these for I think $100 at Chic. But yeah, a little bit high, you guys. See, that's not bad. This is not bad, you guys. The Air Max Deluxe going for went for 180, go for $60. Damn. Checked on StockX. Most of these go for 70, $80. And no profit to be made. Too bad. Dang, these ain't bad for that price. Okay. The Air Max Plus OGs, not bad. Okay, see, these I can do, not bad. We've seen this for cheaper. And the Air Max 2017s, we've seen these for cheaper. 270s, not really that much of a fan of these. It's a chili red, black, challenge red. Oh, how's there two different reds? That's one red, I guess, and another red. Weird. Okay, $100. These are hot, but not the price, man. $169. Barely getting $30 off, man. I'm too cheap. Need more of a deal than that, you guys. How do you guys feel about the Vapor Max where they color that part? Like, I don't know. I feel like having the exposed air units are like the coolest part of the Vapor Max. And on these, they've had a few colorway nowadays where they've colored those in. What are you guys' thoughts? Other than this being way too expensive. Other than that, let me know your thoughts, you guys. This is Pegasus 35s. I got a pair of these. I paid like 60 something. I paid like 60 something for mine. I got a couple other colorways of the Pegasus 35s. 34s go for a little bit less. I feel like with these you can find them on the hash wall somewhere. Got the Zoom flies, not bad, Zoom flies. More Zoom fly fly nets. They actually got a few more, but I'm not gonna cover too many of these. They all kind of look the same. A crazy deal here, Odyssey React. You guys know the React is super comfortable. These are not great for wide footers because they're kind of really tight for me. But yeah, it's not bad. Got one more colorway right there, not bad. Do have a whole lot of apparel. They got sunglasses. They got all kinds of stuff. Oh, excuse me. They got all kinds of stuff here, but I'm kind of short on time, so I'm gonna head out, you guys. But yeah, I didn't even cover the women's section and the kids. Usually I cover the women's and the kids, but yeah, I actually got my family with me today, so they're kind of running restless. So yeah. All right, so we didn't find any crazy deals or crazy steals there. We did find those Kobe Elite 10s. That's kind of crazy because I really haven't seen those ever. So yeah, and they got pretty good resale value. I just can't hold stuff for 2, 3, 4 months because I just don't have that much room in my place. So yeah, but yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. For those of you guys who like these type of videos, go ahead, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like. Make sure you let me know. Should I have copped those Kobe 9 Elites? What do you guys think? Let me know, you guys. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace. All right, you guys want a good laugh? Let's go check out the Skechers outlet. We got some Vapor Max. Skechers Vapor Max, you guys. What the hell, man? Did they just copy everything that Nike does? Oh my goodness, look at that. I'll show you some more they got. Oh wait, here, there's some more Vapor Max right here. Let me show you some more where they copied Nike. It's hilarious. Oh, they've been doing the Air Max ones for a while. The Air Max, they've been doing these for a while. That's interesting. Okay, let's check out some more. Air Max 200s or even the Air Max 1s. Kind of similar look. It's funny. For the kiddos, we got the 270s. Look at that, 270s. Even with the plastic right here, that's hilarious. And then we got the Nike React, you guys. Look at this, the Nike React. Tell me that does not look exactly like Nike React. That's hilarious. Dang, Skechers. I think I should pay Nike a portion of you guys' proceeds. Are these like a copy of the Crocs? These like really similar to the Crocs? I don't know. What do you guys think, you guys? Skechers just bootlegs everything, huh? That's crazy. They're copying LA Gear on this one? Oh wait, I actually think they bought out LA Gear. Hey, they actually bought something. Okay, good for them. I still don't think anybody's going to be buying these, but still, good for you guys. Maybe good for kids. Maybe the kids will like the old school name. I don't know. Who's this targeting towards? Like, really? Who's really looking for LA Gear retros? That's interesting. All right, we're getting out the norm. We're doing the random of the randoms. We're at the Crocs, you guys. Crocs. Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely not a fan of the Crocs, but my kid loves this stuff. So yeah, let's go find out. And these kids Crocs, they're $30, you guys. 30 bones. That's crazy. But if you buy one, you get one 30% off. So that's the kid sizes. But yeah, no, my kid can't fit these, so we need the grown-ups. Look at the grown-ups, you guys. $40 for a pair of Crocs. That's nuts. So this is the outlet. You get a little discount, but still, man, that's just crazy. Yep, we're definitely out of here, man. That's nuts.